Day, I want to wish all of my mother's subscribers happy Mother's Day, and I hope all you guys enjoy your day. I am on my way now to go and collect my Mother's Day basket that my sister ordered from overseas. It's a basket for 4 people, so I'm going to take you guys along for the ride. Right now we're in Ayfield, Sophia, so I'm just going to give you guys a little tour of Ayfield, Sophia. So enjoy, guys. Alright guys, so I got the basket here. So when I reach home, I'm gonna... Well, there's no basket, it's a bag. Oh, Aiden, don't do that. So when I reach home, I'm gonna take it out to show you guys. Aiden! Addie, hold it, put this back there. Put it back there, hold. So I'm on my way to buy some ice cream for Aiden and my mom and Andy. Just gonna go to a quick stop and buy maybe a strawberry or a custom supreme ice cream. Here and get the ice cream for them. The small one you want?
You want cone? You want it now?
No, I'm not buying cone. I was planning to buy cone. I was planning to buy like the little biggish one.
Okay.
Yeah.
The strawberry.
Or custard supreme.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nothing at all.
Alright guys, so we're gonna head into quick surf now. You have strawberry? You have custom supreme? What size? How much is that one? Alright, give me that one. Sideways up. Oh. Oh, you said and then still the thing.
Huh?
How you said and still went sideways. With Aiden. I put his ear in one and Aiden just pull out the pom pom. The pony. He don't want thing. He just want to get here anyhow. So we got our ice cream. Yes, we're gonna show them. Look, Andy, they're sniffing in the bag. Okay. There's a lot of big Demico ice cream, custard supreme. So we're just gonna make one more stop at KFC and buy a 2-piece chicken for Aiden because I'm not sure if he's gonna eat this food or we getting for Mother's Day. So just be on the safe side. I'm just gonna order 2 pieces chicken for him. So let's go to KFC now. Side clean. On our way to KFC to get 2 pieces chicken for Aiden, just to be on the safe side because I don't want him to start a tantrum because he don't want what the basket have. So let's go to KFC. Oh, look how he's speeding. Lord of mercy. These people. This one now speeding. Guys, so just turn the camera, let you guys see where I'm driving. KFC drive-thru, guys. So guys, we're still in KFC drive-thru. Aiden waiting patiently for his chicken. Aiden, you want your chicken? Just now. Okay, driving up. We just have 2 more cars and we're gonna get Aiden chicken. Guys, Aiden loves KFC. This is his favorite. He just loves KFC. Aiden, sit down. Thank you. Red slice. This is Aiden chicken, guys. Smell nice, Aiden. But just wait till I reach home, okay? Wait till I reach home. You're eating the entire shrimp mess. Thanks. Ida. Alright guys, so we're on our way home now, so everyone can eat their Mother's Day lunch and enjoy. Alright. Good boy, put it down. Yay. That is a good boy. You know, you understand what mommy say. You're gonna eat it when you go home. Alright guys, so I'll see you guys at home when we're opening our basket. Ooh, the camera is shaking. Alright guys, so I'm back home with my Mother's Day basket. So here it is, guys. It's for 4 people and get a free balloon mark. Best mom ever. So we're gonna take it out and show you guys everything we got in our basket. So here goes. First thing I got here is a big bottle of grape drink. This is the drink here. Bottle of grape wine. And this we put in through the chicken. I don't know we put it. Salads. I have to see what is this just now. So I'm just gonna empty it out for you guys. And then yeah.
The legs you?
No, give you a tie piece. Yeah, the chicken. Not sure what this is, but we'll see what it is. This is our rice. And this is our, I think, macaroni. So that's it, guys. Alright, guys, so this is everything I got in my Mother's Day basket. I got some sweets, some peas and chana salad, some green salad, some ripe plantain and broccoli, dessert. I have some chicken here, I have some fish, I have some macaroni there, and I have some rice. Over here I have a big drink and some wine. So I'm gonna dish out food for everyone now. So I'm dishing out food now for everyone. It's a good thing I stopped at KFC because Aiden was not gonna eat this. He definitely was not gonna eat this. So I took out some rice here. Take out a piece of chicken, piece of fish. You have to tell me what you want, Andy. Over here I have some sweet plantain salad, some green salad, and so here's the Mother's Day lunch, guys, that I got in the basket. So guys, so this is my Mother's Day meal here. I'm tasting on camera so you guys see. So guys, this is my Mother's Day lunch. I have some chicken, fish, macaroni, rice, pea salad, ripe plantain, some mustard hot sauce. That's it. I was planning to cook, but after my sister ordered this basket from my mom, I just didn't worry to cook anymore. So let's taste it on camera and let you guys see. So I'm gonna taste some of the rice. It's okay. Here's a piece of the macaroni. It's good. It tastes alright, guys. It tastes alright. So I'm gonna enjoy my lunch. So when I finish eating, I'll be back. Even Andy not eating out his food, but he got some proper clothes to show him.